Hello everyone, I'm here with a fun video today. I have some students and they are attending their class on our rooftop today. This is a rainy season and lately it had been raining every day, so the roof gets all wet and I can't take my students to the roof for drawing or painting from the nature. Luckily, this was a sunny day and the roof was not wet at all, so I took my students to an open-air class. Look, there's a little visitor here. She's my niece. This is a line drawing of the flower I have made to show my students. She is just drawing some leaves because she is new in the class and still on the line drawing level. She's doing quite well. Rest of them are trying pencil sketches. This class was not about only serious kind of lessons and learning. We had a lot of fun. Most importantly, they have enjoyed it. Some of them tried really well to create a nice drawing. And as you can see now, some talked a lot. This little doll seems to enjoy our class also. My parents have this little chicken farm on the roof. Nice day, isn't it? They look so happy and seem to be enjoying themselves. Most of them are drawing, except these two boys seem to be very busy with talking and laughing and joking. The sun was too strong and they couldn't look at the subject directly, so I suggested them to take a photo of the subject and draw from it. I really enjoyed making this video. This was a lot different. Let me know if you want more of these kinds of art vlogs. Keep watching till the end and enjoy our fun and refreshing, relaxing kind of art class on the rooftop. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I have tried quickly sketching this flower for my students at the end of the video. Let me know what you think about it. Just a quick rough sketch of the flower, nothing too serious and not a complete sketch. For more art videos, stay connected to Shuta's Universe.